Come on, brother.
But you parked crooked.
It doesn't matter. Let's get in the store.
Dang.
Ow!
Ignore him. Brother, keep walking. Never be guys like that. Brother, where are you?
Excuse me, sir? Is there a zoo around here?
A zoo? I don't think so.
Really? That's weird, because me and my sis were hearing animal sounds.
Oh, that's your sis? With the big balloons?
She is, and she's dumb, but be respectful.
She got huge balloons.
Are you dumb too? I just said be respectful.
I guess having giant balloons doesn't count if it's mostly because you're overweight anyway.
Let me tell you something. Having a small Richard doesn't really count either if it's mostly your personality.